Hello from Adventure Island. Welcome to Great Wolf Lodge. I am here today at the Grapevine, Texas location, which is right outside of Dallas. I was invited to Great Wolf Lodge as part of their new parent pack so that I can share with you guys everything there is to do when you visit Great Wolf Lodge. Every single room that they have here at the Grapevine, Texas location for Great Wolf Lodge is a suite. So we're gonna go check out 3 different levels of suites and give you guys an idea of the types of rooms that you can expect to stay in on your next visit. I'm all checked into my room here at Great Wolf Lodge, so we're gonna take a quick tour of a standard family suite. Let's start from where you first walk in the room. To the immediate right, there is a bathroom. It's just kind of a standard basic bathroom. It's got some Great Wolf Lodge products in the bathtub. There is a big mirror to get ready with in the morning. And then across from that, there is a closet space if you have anything you need to hang up. And then a big counter space, a fridge, a microwave. There is an extra stool here for some extra seating. And then over here, there is this cute area that's got this fun trunk. You've got couches, there's a chair, there's some fun artwork on the wall. And then over here, this room has 2 queen-size beds. My room doesn't have too much of a view. For this standard room, I do just have a view of the parking lot, but there are other room types available that do have a little bit more fun of a view. And then here, there is also a table, a couple of chairs, a really fun lampshade covering that's hanging. And then we've got TV, some drawer space, and there is also a wall space. So it's a pretty nice room, and what I like about it is that the couch does pull out, and since I have a family of 5, we could all easily and comfortably sleep in this room.
Which will give a little bit more space. This is going to be one of our themed suites.
We're going to take a look right now at one of the themed suites that you can get at Great Wolf Lodge. So in here, they've obviously got the table set up. They have a TV stand, TV area. They've also got a little mini kitchenette area that has this cute paw print on the wall. We're gonna head into the bathroom, and here they've got a bathtub. It's a very big bathroom, good for a family. And then for here, a mirror, bath products. But I think the most important part about this room is the kids area, which is themed to Great Wolf Lodge. And they've got all of these cute characters in here with bunk beds, and I know that kids would love to stay here. There's even this little window where kids can poke their heads out, which is so cute. And then over here, we've got kind of the adult area where there is obviously the main bed, and then there is a couch, which is a pull-out. And this room also has a balcony. So an area where you can hang out if you want to be quiet while your kids are sleeping. But overall, I think that this room type is absolutely beautiful, and I love all of the Great Wolf Lodge details. This is the Grizzly Premium Suite. We are going to go take a look. This is the premium suite. There's different designs, but this one is called the Grizzly Suite. And when you first walk in, there is a large bathroom. This is an ADA bathroom, has an open shower, but there's actually more than one bathroom in this suite. There's also a safe on the wall. And then right when you first walk in, there's also a closet where you can store your stuff. There's a kitchenette in this room that has a super cute paw print. And then over here, there's a big living area, but there's also 2 bedrooms. And this is a pull-out couch. So you can sleep 2 more people than you are gonna sleep in these bedrooms. And they've got some cute Great Wolf Lodge details that are up there on the lampshade. And if we go in here, this bedroom can sleep 4 additional people. And it's also got its own dresser, its own TV, its own closet space. Some more fun outdoorsy decor. So this room is amazing. And then if you cross the hall over to here, this is kind of the master suite. So in here we've got an even larger bed, a king-size bed, some more decor. There is an outdoor patio that you can walk right out to. Right now there's even a beautiful sunset that's happening out there. There's also your own TV, your own dresser. And then if we head this way, in here there's another bathroom, and this bathroom has a jacuzzi tub. So this is an incredible suite. This is one of the most popular suites that books up the fastest because it can sleep so many guests. So you guys will have to let me know in the comments which suite was your favorite, but thank you so much for watching here on our page Adventure Isle. Make sure you're following along for lots more themed content.